In this guide, you will learn how to view product on Instagram posts. To begin, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Once you're in this page, different options will appear. Make sure you have switched your Instagram account to the professional account. With this, you're gonna get this section of for professionals. Click on the option Creator Tools and Controls. Click on monetization status and make sure your account is eligible for monetization, as this feature is only available to eligible accounts. Once confirmed, go back to your profile, click on plus option, upload a photo or video, tap next. From here, you can make your necessary editings, and once you are done, click on next. Now click on the option more options, click on the option add product details. Here, enter your product name, set a price and save the details. After adding your caption, go ahead and publish the post. Once it's live, you will see view product button appear on your Instagram post, allowing viewers to easily check out a product. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.